In this video, I show you how to cut glass. To cut glass, you need a glass cutter with a Vidia cutting wheel. The cut is made by pulling the glass cutter uniformly along the square. After cutting, the glass must be broken with a decisive snap of the hand. The most used glass cutter in the world is the Toyo, that is made in Japan. Rinaldin offers two alternatives: the Toyo with transparent handle, the Toyo with the metal handle. In the first case, there is the advantage of being able to see the oil level. In the second case, greater importance is given to the solidity of the tool. Some time ago, Rinaldin also supplied the spare block, but now it no longer supplies it, since the cost of the block is equal to the cost of the complete glass cutter. How long does a glass cutter last? The duration depends on the amount of work of the framer. When you realize that a wheel cuts with difficulty, it is better to get a new glass cutter. Lubricating oil is needed to get a good cut. The oil automatically flows from the tank to the cutting wheel. Rinaldin supplies the oil in two formats: a 40 ml oleator or a 1 liter can. In addition to the glass cutter, the special square for glass is required. Rinaldin supplies 4 squares of different sizes. Now let's get back to glass cutting. The glass cutter should be pulled towards you with a uniform pace and constant pressure, neither too slowly nor too quickly. The glass cutter must not be held too slanted, as it would not touch the glass in this case. In addition, the wheel must proceed in a vertical position without swinging to the right or left. Never go over the same incision twice. You would ruin the wheel and get a bad cut. After engraving, slide the plate so that the engraving is along the edge of the table. For cutting very large slabs, it is advisable to insert a pencil under the slab. Special pliers supplied by Rinaldin with code 217 would also be useful for cutting. The gripper has 2 protrusions on the top and 1 protrusion on the bottom. For framers who have a certain volume of work, it is advisable to use a vertical cutter such as the Gladium, or the Steel Track, or the Fletcher 3100. These are vertical cutters that are also used for cutting cardboard and other materials. All of them are supplied by Rinaldin and are illustrated in the relative videos.